Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mella Selviana and today I'm really excited to explain one of the most interesting topics in math, the volume of sphere. In this video, I'll take you step by step through the definition, the formula and some example. So let's get started. First, let's look at something familiar, the Earth. Did you know that our planet is almost a perfect sphere? That means we can also calculate its volume as if it were a huge ball. And to do that, the most important thing we need is radius. Okay, so there's a fun fact. Over 2000 years ago, without satellites, computer, Google Maps, calculators, the scientists named Eratosthenes estimate the Earth's size using only shadows and simple geometry. From this work, scientists learn the Earth's radius, and once we know the radius, we can find the volume. Okay, what is sphere is? A sphere is a three-dimensional shape where every point on the surface is the same distance from the center. The distance is called a radius. Next is what is volume of a sphere? The volume of a sphere tells us how much space is inside the shape. Okay, next to calculate the volume we use this formula. 4 over 3 times p times r cubes, where r is the radius of a sphere and p is a constant, and its value is 22 over 7 or 3.14. To calculate the volume of any sphere, we follow this step. First, determine the radius. Second, give the radius. Third, multiply the result by 4 over 3. Step 4 is multiply by p, and step 5, the last step, is include the unit cube. Okay, here's some example. Find the volume of a sphere with a radius of 7 cm. We know that the radius is 7 cm. Now we should search the cube of radius. 7 times 7 times 7. The result is 343. Step 3. Multiply the result by 4 over 3rd. 4 over 3rd times 343. And the result is 457.333. Step 4. Multiply by p. Multiply the 457.333 by 3.41159, and the result is 1436.765. Now the last step is include the unit cube. Okay, we should run the answer. So the final result is 1436.8 centimeter cubic. So the volume of the sphere is 1436.8 centimeter cube. Okay, next example is find the volume of the sphere whose radius is 9 cm. Okay, in this, we know that R is equals 9 centimeter. Now we search the cube, the radius. 9 times 9 times 9, and the result is 729. And step 3, multiply the result by 4 over 3. 4 over 3 times 729 equals 972. Step 4, multiply by p. Now we multiply 972 times 3.14, and the result is 3052.09. Oh, I'm sorry, 08. So the last step is include the unit cube. So the answer is 3052 centimeter cube. Okay, here's the answer for question number 2. Next. Okay, example number 3. Find the volume of the sphere whose diameter is 16 centimeter. Okay, in that question, we know that diameter is 16 centimeter. We should search of radius. Okay, to find the radius, we divided the diameter with 2. Okay, so the radius is 8 centimeter. Now we cube the radius. 8 times 8 times 8 equals 512. Step 3. Multiply the result by 4 over 3. 4 over 3 times 512 equals 682.666. Step 4. Multiply by p. 682.666 times 3.14 is equals 2138.21. And finally, the last step is include the unit cubes. 1 2138.21 cubic centimeter. Okay, so the volume of the sphere is 2138.21 centimeter cubic. And that's it. And that's it. We learned that the sphere is how to use the formula and how to calculate the volume through several examples. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this explanation helps you understand spheres much more easily. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.